bag is still perfectly functioning everywhere on the bag. No issues, no zipper problems, but this mesh, this expanding mesh, no longer works for holding water bottles because it's the mesh ripped and the elastic. So just giving an example of how elastic and mesh are the first things that fail on a lot of designs, and maybe there was actually another way that this could have been engineered. So this is a company that's supposed to be pretty good with their customer service, so I'm actually going to call them up right now and see what they say. Hi, I have this bag that I bought quite a few years ago, and I'm really happy with it, except the mesh on the pocket for holding a water bottle is ripped, and the water bottle falls out. So I'm wondering if I can, if you have any like recommendations for how to repair that part.
Let's see. Do you know what pack it is?
I don't know the name of it. It's sort of like a messenger bag. I got it at REI. It's all black. It has a single strap to go over one shoulder. It's pretty simple.
So what you could do, we do have a repair department. I don't know for sure if that's something they can fix or not, but what they do is they would evaluate it and either fix it or send you a gift card to replace it. Unless you have attachment to it, then on the form there is a box you can check to have it sent back if they can't fix it.
Okay.
And if you want, I can set up a repair order for you.
Sure, that'd be great.
And I'll send you the form and the label to your email.
Okay, great.
And you're all set.
Cool, thank you.
Sure, thanks for calling.
Alright, have a good day.
You too.
So that was a pretty good response from Patagonia customer service. I just looked up their number online and called and got a response right away. Didn't have wait time, and it's a Sunday in the middle of the day. You know, I would expect that there would be a lot of people calling, but that's a pretty good sign with customer service, and they said they might be able to repair it, but we'll see. Anyways, I just want to do sort of a longer review of this bag. I really like the bag. I've used it for nature journaling now on 3 continents, taken it to the Amazon, taken it to the Serengeti, and it's basically a simple messenger bag with one strap. It has a sort of small or like a thin pouch on the back, but other than that, it's just a pretty big opening. It has a small, zipper on the lid, some straps on the lid, which are useful, and then a couple, things for organizing on the middle, on the inside, but not too much. And it's big enough that it fits, one of my journals. I could fit some other books in there, some extra supplies, maybe like one extra layer of clothing. I can organize all of my art supplies, and in this back area, I put my watercolor palette so I can carry all my watercolors. And this is just what I need for being able to get out in the field and have my nature journaling stuff right at my side. And you can see that it just fits on here pretty easily, allowing me to get out and nature journal either in the field or in museums and zoos and botanical gardens. I can put it on my back. When I was with the HUDs, I would put this on my back and I could run. The strap is adjustable, so I can easily tighten it up if I need to run more, or loosen it if I'm wearing more layers of clothing, or if I want it to just be able to hang right in front of me. I can pull out my nature journal just like this. Supplies are right here, and just draw, and I can do all of my watercolor painting without sitting down or needing to put anything down. So pull out my palette just like that, and boom, I'm ready I got my color, I got any more supplies here, and I of course use these Pentel aqua brushes, which make it so that I don't have to carry water, and water comes right out of here. I can just go into my watercolor palette and start painting right on the page. So just to give you an idea of how convenient this pack is, and it used to be able to hold a water bottle, which was an added benefit in an external pocket, so it doesn't have to be on the inside. But as you can see, this mesh, which as far as design rants go, I'm not a big fan of this kind of mesh, you know, and this is used in a lot of products now. And on the outside, especially on a corner that's going to have something hard like a water bottle in it, something hard and heavy, this is going to be, you know, if this is rubbing on stuff or bumping on stuff, of course it's going to rip. So this is not a good design feature. Everything else about this pack is really good, and partly because of the way this is designed, this will be a tricky repair. I kind of doubt that they're going to say this is repairable. I'm not that crafty of a person when it comes to sewing, but I might just try to repair this myself so that I can continue to use this bag. Also, another thing about modern production that I've ranted about before, and I will again, is that this model, this thing is a perfectly good design other than that one feature, but they don't make this anymore. And when I was talking to the person on the phone, it sounds like the closest equivalent of these that they have now has backpack straps on it. Why do I want backpack straps on this? You know, that might be good for some things, but that's just adding probably unnecessary features that are not going to be that helpful. So just a little review about that Patagonia bag and a little bit about my process. I'll keep you posted when I find out more from the company.